Once again, I welcome you all. Today, we are going to discuss about second question, that is what is lengthened contraction and what are the effects of lengthened contraction. I am repeating, what is lengthened contraction and what are the effect of lengthened contraction. Friends, normally in the group, as atomic number increases, atomic radii increases because new entering electron takes position in a new orbital. Normally in a group, when we talk about group number 1 to 18, normally in the group, as atomic number increases, atomic radii increases because new entering electron takes position in a new orbital. Let us understand this thing with the example of alkali metal. Alkali metal you can remember with the help of Helen Cabrese Farrar. These are alkali metal: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. You can remember with the help of this trick, Helen Cabrese Farrar. These are the atomic number 3, 11, 19, 37, 55, 87. And these are the principal quantum number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as atomic number increases, principal quantum number also increases, and therefore distance of electron from the nucleus increases, and therefore atomic radii goes on increasing. But in case of lengthened element, new entering electron takes position in 4f energy level. So number of electron in outer energy level remains the same. Moreover, as atomic number increases, this nuclear charge is also increases. And therefore atomic radii goes on decreasing. This type of decrease in atomic radii, it is known as lengthened contraction. I am repeating. In case of lengthened element, new entering electron takes position in 4f energy level instead of outer energy level. So number of electron in outer energy level remains the same. Moreover, as atomic number increases, nuclear charge also increases. Here, new entering electron takes position in 4f energy level. This 4f energy level is having diffuse shape, and therefore electron of f orbital does not seal 6s electron, and therefore as nuclear charges increases, it attracts electrons, and therefore atomic radii goes on decreasing. This type of decrease in atomic radii, it is known as lengthened contraction. Now let us discuss the effect of lengthened contraction. Yttrium is a fifth period element and holmium and erbium are sixth period element. Due to lengthened contraction, atomic radius of yttrium falls between atomic radius of holmium and erbium. So in spite of being the member of fifth period, yttrium is found with lengthened element. Yttrium is a fifth period element and holmium and erbium comes under sixth period, that is lengthened element. Now due to lengthened contraction, atomic radius of yttrium remain unchanged, but atomic radius of holmium and erbium goes on decreasing, and therefore atomic radius of yttrium comes between atomic radius of holmium and erbium. So in spite of being the member of fifth period, yttrium is found with lengthened element. Now due to lengthened contraction, atomic radii goes on decreasing. Due to lengthened contraction, atomic radii goes on decreasing, and the difference between two consecutive lengthened element is less than 0.01 angstrom. Difference between two consecutive lengthened element is 0.01 angstrom. Moreover, as atomic number increases, atomic radii goes on decreasing. Therefore, atomic radius of lengthened element are quite near to the fifth period element, and there would be possibility of fifth period element between two consecutive lengthened element, and therefore it is very difficult to separate lengthened element from fifth period element as well as lengthened element from one another, and therefore separation of lengthened is very difficult, and it can be separated by either spectroscopic method or ion exchange method. Third thing, as atomic number increases, atomic radii goes on decreasing. As lutetium is smallest in size and lanthanum is largest in size, lutetium is heavily hydrated, and lutetium being smallest in size, it forms strong complex with ligand. Point number 4, basicity. Ease with which electron is removed, it is called basicity. Ease with which electron is removed, it is called basicity. If ion is bigger in size, therefore that electron is removed very easily, therefore it acts as strong base. As we move from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic radii goes on decreasing. As lanthanum is largest in size and lutetium being smallest in size, and therefore lanthanum form strong base, hydroxide of lanthanum form strong base, while lutetium hydroxide form weak base. As we move from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic radii goes on decreasing. Therefore, lanthanum is largest in size and lutetium is smallest in size. But as we refer electronic configuration or atomic radius of europium, then atomic radius of europium does not decreases than that of samarium. Reason is that electronic configuration of europium is 4f7 5d06s2. It has half filled electronic configuration. So electron try to repel, and therefore electron try to remain as far as possible from one another, and therefore nuclear charges does not attract electron of 4f energy level, and therefore size of europium does not decreases than that of samarium. Now we are going to discuss basic property of lanthanide element. As we move from lanthanum to lutetium, atomic radii goes on decreasing, and therefore as lanthanum is largest in size and lutetium being smallest in size, hydroxide of lanthanum is strong base, while hydroxide of lutetium is weak base. The more basic ions are easily and quickly hydrolyzed. Thus, lanthanum is very easily and quickly hydrolyzed than other ions. The tendency of making complex of any positive ion is very low if it is more basic, and therefore the tendency of complex formation of lutetium should be more than lanthanum. If basicity of any ion is more, then it will be more powerful reducing agent. Due to lanthanide contraction, reducing power decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. Now we will discuss regarding capacity of complex formation of lanthanide. The capacity of complex formation of lanthanide is very less. F orbital could not fill hybridization. Due to bigger in size, they show small attraction to the ligand.